tried to talk to, I don't know, Victorian about how a gearbox worked, they wouldn't have a hope.
I just think everything's so complicated now, unnecessarily. It's like manufacturers like, oh, how can we make it more complicated?
What? Automatics are complicated. Like having a...
Oh, is that not what you mean?
Yeah, having an
Right.
8-speed automatic is complicated. It depends if they use normal gear set or a planetary gear set.
It's just, everything's just...
A lot of automatics use planetary gears, which causes a lot of clutches to be used, which is why replacing a clutch in an automatic gearbox is expensive.
Automatics are just... they're fine as long as you service them.
And fine when they work.
It's like what I said to you about that DSG.
Yeah.
They get so bad if you don't service them, the DSGs. People think they're broken. They bring in, I need a new gearbox.
Jeez.
And they're like, no, let's just do a service. And it comes back, it's like it's brand new again.
The other thing is they need a torque converter.
Yeah.
I don't actually know what a torque converter does. Do you have any idea?
It basically allows for the speed difference between the engine and the gearbox, like what a clutch would.
Okay.
So as it doesn't stall.
So does it, but it still has a clutch? No.
They have clutches to change gears. They
Yeah,
have
I was
a
gonna
clutch
say.
to disconnect the gears from the engine.
Right, I see.
So that's why I have a torque converter.
Again, what?
Because it's automatic, you don't have to use anything to...
No, I
engage it,
suppose.
disengage it. CVTs are weird.
Yeah, they just make a lot of noise.
They make a lot of noise. And
That's basically just a big rubber belt.
yeah, they have a place, but it's definitely not in 70 mile an hour
What
cars,
was it I
wears out
saw?
really quickly.
One of the new Fords with the CVT, 0-60, just constantly straight up to 6,500 revs, so it just stayed there all the way to 60.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's weird.
That's what a CVT does.
Yeah.
And the other thing is dual clutch gearboxes.
So many different types of auto.
Dual clutches have 2 sets of gears.
Two clutches.
It's 2 clutches, 2 sets of gears. So you'll have 1, 3 and 5 on one set, 2, 4 and 6 on another.
And it has one ready all the time, yeah.
So there's no gap in power,
No.
which I find cool.
Was that Jazz a CVT?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, that just screamed.
Can you imagine like an old lady driving and going, why is it moving so high?
Yeah.
Well, it's gone.
What's gone?
Lake.
It's literally there.
Was it?
Yes. How can a lake be
No,
gone?
it looked filled in.
There was a lake, wasn't there? I'm sure
Pretty
there was. No, I'm pretty sure there was water in it.
I didn't look.
No, I can't say I did much, but I don't think a lake's been stopped.
Well, no. Let's talk about the filling it
Yeah.
in. Because people are going swimming in it.
That's their own daft.
And it's dangerous because there's a load of stuff in the bottom of it.
Their own problem. I'm stupid enough to swim, isn't it?
Quite wet.
Yeah, I should have done it. Huh? I've had some great splashes through here.
There was a, you know what Thorpe Park is?
Yeah.
One of their original mascots was found at the bottom of a lake.
Oh my god.
It was one of the old employees
Right.
became a diving instructor. So it was like, okay, I'm going to take you two down this lake. Lo and behold, he finds one of the old mascots.
Imagine finding that.
It was terrifying. You see this face.
I was going to say, yeah, last thing you'd expect.
Apparently the kids bullied the mascots. Like they pushed them into lakes and stuff like that.
Oh, I'm not surprised. That looks very weatherproof, that shed there.
I didn't see it.
That hair's just been munched.
I was going to say, there's not much hedge, is there?
What's that barn for? Do you reckon there's a bat in it?
It was probably there way before anything else.
Yeah.
Yeah, there probably is an owl or a bat or something. What a lot are used for now is, as you saw, you do all the work, and then that's where you leave the bales until you want them.
Oh,
Well,
yeah.
at least they're a bit undercover, aren't they?
Bottom bales will get soaked.
Yeah. Well, it depends what. A lot just put them on a bit of wood, and that stops a lot.
Did I tell you last time we were down here? I think when just me and you kept that Dave Perrin saw us going the other direction. He was in his works van on the main road down here,
No.
and he recognised Jimny. I remember seeing it, and when he said it, I said, "Oh, yeah, I remember seeing a white van."
Jim Jiminy, Jim Jiminy, Jim Tree.
Jim Tree.
Acton Bank would be interesting with the wet and the over the roof.
We went up it or down it.
Basically down, the top of it and down a bit.
Up a bit.
Well, it's on top of the hill, but it's predominantly down. Let's have to kill alone.
Might not be doing it then.
Might just be taking some of them.
We've just put
This
that
is
down.
Oh, I didn't mean to put it all the way down.
It's supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
That's so random.
You calling me random?
Yes.
Yeah, fair enough. I'm not exactly the most consistent person in the world.
That right.
There we go, nice couple of gentle ones there now.
It's quite gentle.
We're going right at the end here, just behind the traffic from the left. It's quite fast. We've got about 5 minutes of road until the next couple of lanes.